Hi, I'm Pete Robinson from movementandposture.com. I'm a qualified Alexander Technique teacher, and I usually make videos about how the Alexander Technique can help improve your posture, movements, health and well-being. Today though, I'm making a very short bonus video about a technique to relieve muscle spasms in your shoulders or upper back. This is to accompany a video on my channel about how the Alexander Technique can help with shoulder problems, and I'll link to that above. I learnt this technique years ago from a very talented sports rehabilitation practitioner called Mo, who studied at the University of Salford Sports Injury Department. So shouts going out to those guys, and I'll leave a link to them in the description. They're highly recommended if you need help with a sports injury type of problem. The technique I'm going to teach you is very simple but incredibly effective. I've shown this to many people over the years and it has spectacular results. Just a quick disclaimer though, I'm not giving medical advice here. I'm just sharing something that I've found useful. Always consult a doctor or other medical professional if you're concerned about a health problem before trying a technique such as this. The technique uses a simple tennis ball, and we're going to use it to put pressure on a trigger point in your muscle to help it release. Tennis balls have an ideal size and hardness for this. I wouldn't suggest using a different type of ball such as a golf ball, as they may be too hard and irritate the muscle. You'll need to wear comfortable clothes that aren't too thick or padded, and find somewhere to lay down on a carpet or rug. So take your tennis ball, and you want to try and get the ball on exactly the point in your shoulder that's in spasm. So you roll it underneath you until you can feel the point that feels really tender. When you find that point, then gently relax. Make sure that you've got exactly that point in contact with the ball, and then slowly let your weight release into the floor so that the ball is pressing quite firmly into that point. Make sure that you're not stiffening up anywhere else, and just wait there for about a minute. After a minute, the pain will probably have completely gone or eased off considerably. Don't stay any longer than a minute because you can actually end up irritating the area more, and don't stay for just a short period of time, a few seconds, because again you can just irritate that area. Normally about a minute's the recommendation. Once you've done that, simply roll off and you're good to go. Well, I hope you found that useful. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Drop me a comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on another video soon. Bye for now.